Welcome to the delicious recipe of homemade brownies. Today we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to create perfect brownies with a rich chocolatey flavor and a moist fudgy texture. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on this delightful baking adventure. Let's go through the ingredients for our brownies. First, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is about 225 grams. Melt this and set it aside. Next, grab 1 cup of granulated sugar, that's 200 grams, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar, also 200 grams. The combination of these sugars gives our brownies a perfect balance of sweetness and moisture. You'll need 4 large eggs to help bind everything together and add richness. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for that wonderful, classic brownie flavor. For the dry ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is about 125 grams, and 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, approximately 95 grams, to give our brownies that rich chocolate flavor. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance all the flavors. Finally, we have 1 cup of chocolate chips or chopped chocolate, around 175 grams, to mix into the batter for extra bursts of chocolate in every bite. Alright, let's start by preheating the oven. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, let's prepare our baking pan. Take a 9 by 13-inch baking pan and line it with parchment paper. This will make it super easy to lift out the brownies once they're baked. If you don't have parchment paper, you can also lightly grease the pan with some cooking spray. This will prevent the brownies from sticking and ensure they come out nice and clean. Once your oven is preheated and your pan is ready, you're all set to start making the brownie batter. Now, let's melt the butter. Take 1 cup of unsalted butter and put it in a microwave-safe bowl. Pop it into the microwave and heat it until it's completely melted. You can also melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat if you prefer. Once the butter is melted, let it cool slightly. This step is important because if the butter is too hot, it can cook the eggs when we mix them in later. So give it a few minutes to cool down a bit before we move on to the next step. Next, grab a large mixing bowl. Pour in the 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Now take your slightly cooled melted butter and add it to the sugars. Using a whisk, mix everything together until it's well combined. You want the sugars to dissolve a bit into the butter, creating a smooth, cohesive mixture. This will be the base for our brownie batter. Now, let's add the eggs. We're using 4 large eggs. Add them 1 at a time to your sugar and butter mixture. After adding each egg, whisk the batter well. This helps to incorporate more air into the batter, giving the brownies a better texture. Once all the eggs are mixed in, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir it in until everything is well combined. Next, let's prepare the dry ingredients. Take a separate bowl and a sifter. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt to the sifter. Sift these ingredients together into the bowl. Sifting helps to remove any lumps and ensures that the flour, cocoa powder, and salt are evenly distributed. This will make sure our brownie batter is smooth and well mixed. Now it's time to combine the wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the sifted dry ingredients to the bowl with your wet mixture. Using a spatula, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Take your time with this step and be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can make the brownies tough, and we want them to be nice and tender. Just fold until everything is combined and you no longer see dry flour. Next, let's add some extra chocolatey goodness. Take 1 cup of chocolate chips or chopped chocolate and fold them into the batter. Use your spatula to gently fold the chocolate into the mixture. This will add a wonderful texture and an extra burst of chocolate flavor to the brownies. Make sure the chocolate is evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now, let's bake our brownies. First, pour the brownie batter into the prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly, making sure it reaches all the corners. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius earlier. Now place the pan in the preheated oven. Bake the brownies for about 25 to 30 minutes. Check them at the 25-minute mark by inserting a toothpick into the center. You want it to come out with a few moist crumbs attached, but not wet batter. Be careful not to overbake, as this can result in dry brownies. Finally, let's finish our brownies. Allow the brownies to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This helps them set and makes them easier to cut into neat squares. Once they're completely cooled, use the parchment paper to lift the brownies out of the pan. Now cut them into squares using a sharp knife. And there you have it, delicious homemade brownies ready to be enjoyed. And lastly, here are some tips to enhance your brownies. For fudgier brownies, reduce the baking time slightly and use more brown sugar than granulated sugar. This will give you a denser, fudgier texture. For cakier brownies, add an extra egg to the batter and increase the flour by a quarter cup. This will make your brownies lighter and more cake-like. Enhance the flavor. To intensify the chocolate flavor, add a teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder to the batter. It adds a rich depth to your brownies. Mix-ins. Get creative with mix-ins. Add nuts, marshmallows, or swirls of caramel into the batter for added texture and flavor. Storage. Store your brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days. You can also refrigerate them for up to a week or freeze them for up to 3 months. Enjoy your delicious homemade brownies.